where nobody will know what happened.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tts City Town Hall and the local police department. Reports have been heard of something or someone planning to do something to this city. No one knows if whatever is happening could bring a positive or a negative effect to the city. Concerns have been whispered about and speculations have been made regarding a possible attack or even plans of reconstruction to the city, but no updates has been given about either of those things at this time. For now, we encourage you to keep watch, but you are still able to do your daily activities, and please stay tuned to this station 88.5 WTTS, the TTS News Network, for any additional updates that may become available. Thank you for your attention. The following message is transmitted at the request of the TTS local police department. At around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a house was completely destroyed. This was cited by several neighbors, but they could not pinpoint what or who did it. If you are in a 10-mile radius of the destruction, lock your doors. However, if this creature comes, quickly pack emergency supplies and a battery-powered radio and immediately evacuate. Call 911 immediately if injured. Reports have also stated that there were claw marks all over the house, and it seemed strong, since some individuals guessed that it hit its tail on it 3 times, and then destroyed it with its claws and body, since it crashed through the house. However, the creature has not been confirmed. Anyone listening to this, please remain diligent. You will never know where it can strike next. Stay tuned to 88.5 WTTS, the TTS News Network, for any updates that may develop.
Tonight, I'm going to make it very special by cooking the house, and eating the house. Just kidding. Just burning it will make me leap with joy. Now, let's go to the next house.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the TTS City Local Police Department. At 8:30 p.m., another house was destroyed, and a description of this creature was confirmed by a police officer, before it flew immediately afterward. This is the description we have from the officer. It is a dragon. It is a 5 to 6 foot dragon with a blue body, and it is normally a gentle dragon according to some witness statements that were asked after the fact. It can breathe fire, but unfortunately, it doesn't burst at anyone that gets in its way. It is confirmed as a male dragon, which confirms the last report of the dragon striking the house with its tail multiple times, then roars according to the dragon spotters that were near the destruction. Instead of just crashing into the house, like it did to its predecessor, it blew fire on it as it roared, obliterating it into ashes, and even smoke was seen after the complete operation. If you are hearing this, get out of your houses and seek immediate shelter that are provided by the police. If you have any questions, contact the local police department. If you need to be picked up at your house, provide your address and phone number so they can track you and get there as soon as possible. Thank you for your cooperation. As previously mentioned, bring emergency supplies and a battery-powered radio before evacuating your residence. For your own safety, do not leave your shelter until the all-clear message is announced. Thank you for listening. You are listening to 88.5 WTTS, the TTS News Network.
I have an old friend. His name is Tom, and he needs to be scared away from this studio because I'm sure he's broadcasting about me, which is not okay. He needs to be stopped immediately. Now, let's go.
Attention. Attention. This message is transmitted at the request of the TTS News Network. As of 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, our chaotic dragon has been spotted near the news station. We do not know what he is going to. Well, everyone, I must go see the visitor. Please continue to follow what I have told you during the last broadcast. Let's see what this visitor wants. You got to be kidding me? It's the dragon. And he says that I am his friend. And yet, he used to be gentle, but he betrayed me in the city. I tried talking with him, but he only wants force. So I will give him what he wants. I will not slay him, but at least I will attempt to at least slow him down. Oh no. He's about to.
All clear. All clear. This message is for all listeners and all citizens of Tts City. The dragon has flown away. According to the news staff here, Tom was seen running away from the studio. Sounds like the dragon got him to the core when it came to scaring him away. However, no injuries were reported during the house attacks and no injuries on our lead broadcaster. As you know, Scansoft Tom is the broadcast voice while it is actually vocalizer Tom at the studio. Yep, Tom is very talented. This is not a normal all-clear message, however. We just want to thank you all for cooperating with the shelter assignments and following the rules when it came to this situation. You are all safe to return to your houses, and the police and other individuals are rebuilding the houses that were destroyed. Once again, it is safe to return home. Thank you for participating and cooperating with the guidelines and shelters provided by the police. We now return to regular news coverage.
This has been a presentation on a scenario regarding an evil dragon. Cast. Scansoft Tom during the broadcast was yours truly. Next, the Tom who met the dragon was played by vocalizer Tom. Final message was announced by VW Paul. And the best for last, the evil dragon was played by Eloquence Recco. Sound design, music, and script was written by DJ Blind Master and Christopher Reed. Some sounds were also found on YouTube. We hope you enjoyed the show by Christopher Reed with collaboration with Blind Master Productions.